Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 2nd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research, make your own decisions. So it is Friday, people. Tesla closed up 0.98 cents. No, closed up 98 cents at 0.14%, 678.90. 6789, that's a nice. Post market down 1.40 cents. Let's look at the chart. So basically, yeah, we are still stuck in this congestion zone. Congestion zone means that the stock is just going sideways between 667 and 694. What is of note is that, look at this, we went super high today, so the stock traded up to 700 even. So this tells me that some people are willing to pay a higher price for Tesla right now, even though we are always, or seem to be always, closing around 670 something. Let's go to the 1 hour chart to see what happened. So, okay, that's during the first hour. So the first hour, we have a green candle, and look at this. Went super high, and look at the volume here. So big volume, well, bigger volume compared to the rest of the day. So this is telling me that some people, first thing in the morning, they said, hey, I want to buy a bunch of Tesla. Please buy me some Tesla. And then boom, they bought some Tesla, and then the sellers reacted a little bit afterwards, and then things stayed even Steven. So I think some people are accumulating Tesla because they think that it's going to be up eventually very soon. We should be getting some news from Tesla. Tesla should be announcing their deliveries for Q2, so this will have a big impact, I think, on the stock next week. We need to stay tuned for that on Tuesday, because apparently in the United States, next Monday, July 5th, you are on holidays, my friends. And for us in Canada, we were on holiday technically yesterday, but I was off today from work. Anyway, so going back to the daily chart with the indicators, stochastic trending down a little bit at 82. MACD all good, DMI all good. So basically, we are still waiting for these delivery numbers to come out. You can check Tesla Daily podcast. Rob Maurer is doing a great job on his podcast and also on YouTube. So you can get some of his predictions about what are going to be the next numbers for the deliveries in Q2. So I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk Tuesday, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.